Logitech probably wanted to keep the MX Master 4 a secret a little longer, but Amazon Italy hit publish way too early. Luckily, Notebook Check grabbed the photos and product info before it disappeared, which means we've already got a pretty clear look at what's coming. Before we get into it, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. It's honestly easier than finding the USB-C cable Logitech just pulled from the box. Yes, Notebook Check points out that the MX Master 4 may not even come with a USB-C cable anymore. If Amazon's listing is correct, Logitech's making you bring your own. Now let's talk about what's new. At first glance, the MX Master 4 looks super familiar, but dig deeper and you'll notice some tweaks. The material's got an upgrade, it's now stain resistant and easier to clean, which is huge if you've ever had that sticky rubber breakdown on you. This thing should hold up better over time. The big new trick though, that gesture button under your thumb isn't boring anymore. Logitech gave it Haptic Sense, so every swipe or press gives you customizable vibrations. You can even adjust how it feels in the Logi Options Plus app, and wait for this, they added something called the Actions Ring. We believe it's a circular shortcut wheel that changes depending on the app you're in. Way cooler than just flicking your thumb 4 directions. That's a clever way of making the mouse feel more powerful without cluttering it with more buttons. Under the hood, you're also getting a new USB-C dongle, upgraded radio chip, and better antenna for faster, more stable connections. Plus, the clicks, even quieter now. Logitech says 90% less noise, basically stealth mode clicking. Go ahead, rage click your way through emails at 2 a.m. and the house stays quiet. And Logitech's still pushing the eco-friendly angle. 54% recycled plastic if you grab graphite, 48% if you go light gray, and a battery made from 100% recycled cobalt. Not bad, but here's the part that stings a little. Logitech still didn't give us a higher polling rate. A lot of people were hoping for at least 1000 Hertz, but nope. It's the same story as before. If you're after high performance polling, you'll still need to look at competitors. So, the MX Master 4 looks the same, feels better, cleaner materials, smarter features, but maybe still not the dream upgrade for everyone. That's all for now. Subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.